someone handed you the most powerful AI assistant available today and you used it like a basic search engine or a chatbot, you would be leaving an enormous amount of value on the table. And this is exactly what most people are doing with Claude today. And in this video, I'm going to change that completely. Hey everyone, I'm Tanishka Lalwani and welcome back to this channel. This is a proper beginner's guide to Claude and I'm going to take you through each and every feature, the different models, skills, connectors, plugins, etc. so that you understand that when to use which feature to solve a particular problem. So make sure you stick till the end because the use cases sections alone will give you a few ideas that you can implement this week. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's first start with the foundation. Claude isn't one, it's the family of different models, each built for a specific job. First one is Claude Haiku. It is fast and efficient. Most businesses use it when they want to scale at a cheaper cost. It can help you with quick responses like drafting a paragraph, getting a reply, or simple summaries. Next one we have Claude Sonnet. This is the middle ground and honestly where most business use cases live. It can help you with writing, analysis, research, and little bit of complex solving. It is available for free users as well as pro and team users. And here comes the most capable model of the family, Claude Opus. Think of it like calling your most senior consultant, slower than others but more efficient. You can use it for deeper reasoning and complex problem solving. So this was about models, and when you're inside Claude and you see this model selector, this is not a technical decision to make anymore. You just need to choose the right person for the job and get your desired outputs. Now models without context is nothing, and this is where skills and connectors come in. So let's understand skill first. Now just imagine you hired an assistant and every morning you would have to explain them your tone, your format, your industry, the tone you prefer. You have to explain it every single day, all these details. And that's what using Claude without skills is. Skills are custom instructions that you describe once and Claude can show up with already knowing how you work. Claude Desktop, you will find this option in customize section. You need to click on customize, then go to skills, and you can just simply describe. Example to this could be a marketing agency with their brand tone, their previous clients, their previous marketing campaigns, what worked, what did not work. And after Claude has this complete instructions, and from the next time Claude will give them perfect ad copies which is designed to give them the perfect output because it is tailored to them. And this is what we do. Even if we talk about Claude Skills or any other AI system, set of instructions is the most important thing, and that configuration is exactly where the leverage lives. So you can create multiple skills, and in fact inside Claude you will find this skill creator skill. So what you can do is you can type / and this skill creator skill will come up and describe what you want to create. And Claude will automatically create that skill, and from the next time you can use it directly. Now what are connectors? Connectors are one of the most amazing features that Claude offers. These are live integrations, which means once connected, Claude doesn't just know what to do, but it can perform that job. It can read your emails, it can summarize your calendar, it can create presentations, carousels, and tons of different things. Here are some examples. You can use Gmail connector, and every single morning you can ask Claude to summarize it, every activity that happened in the past 24 hours, and ask it to give you the most important ones. And it can even help you. You can even scrape leads using Vibe prospecting connector. As I said earlier, there are tons of connectors, so you just need to understand where you require it, simply sign in and you will be good to go. The key principle is very simple. Every connector you add is another source that you are giving to Claude. The more context Claude has, the more useful it becomes. Now the question comes, what if you're running multiple clients, multiple campaigns, and you need to perform the same job multiple times? So Claude Projects is one of the most useful yet underrated feature. Once you understand this, you will be thinking that how am I even managing without this? So suppose you're working on skincare brand, real estate advisor, a consulting company, and a tech company at the same time. And when you are constantly switching, the tone shifts, the context bleeds, and it becomes slightly off. And this is where you use projects and it changes the game completely. You can build specific project for your specific client. Each has its own instructions, brand guidelines, past work, briefing, boards, and also conversation history, because everything that Claude learns stays inside it. And you can create multiple chats in that project only for different purposes. Is that amazing? And I use it regularly. This is one of the best. Implementing projects across different industries, here's the feedback that I always get. I didn't realize I was wasting so much time explaining each and everything again and again. For agencies and consultants who are managing multiple accounts at the same time, this is the most high leverage thing that you can do today. What about businesses with no development team? This is where Claude Code comes in. Claude Code is not a feature inside Claude. It's a separate product entirely. It runs in your terminal, and most of the people use VS Code for running it inside their computer, and it is going to eat most of your credits, but that is a different thing. You can edit videos, you can design complete workflows with it. You can literally describe what you want and it can build it for you. Now here's another mind-blowing feature that this has, which is code review. Before any pull request opens, Claude basically sends a sub agent to look over your code and identify errors on its own and debug it. That too before the reviewer even opens it. That is absolutely insane. Now you need to understand what you can actually do with Claude other than just writing code. You can connect two tools together and you can do editing inside Claude, which means that you can connect Remotion and it can help you create videos, add B-rolls to it. It can even help you design marketing campaigns. Every single thing is possible. I will be uploading a specific video on Claude Code where I will be reviewing different use cases. I will also guide you on how you can set this up for your business. The majority of business work is not about code all the time. So it is documents, research, reports, proposals, slide decks. And this is where another feature comes in, which is Claude Cowork. People are going absolutely crazy about Claude Cowork, and it makes sense after knowing what it can do for you. I want to slow down here for a second because I want you to understand this is the thing that most people in this video will underestimate, and I don't want this to happen because this can save you so much time that you cannot even imagine. Now Cowork is Claude with the permission to act, and for example you can ask it to segregate all the pictures and videos separately. You can ask it to find the folders which include the most important documents. What does that actually replace? Before, you used to spend hours or switching between tabs, going through multiple websites, using that information, creating the spreadsheet, and if you missed something, you need to go through that process again, and it used to eat up a lot of time. You can just describe what you need, and in minutes, it's from your connected sources, researches. There is a setup phase that most businesses don't want to go through, and this is exactly where we can come in. If you want to build any specific systems for your business needs, and if you want to set up Claude and use it in the best way possible, you can schedule a free 30-minute call. The link is in the description, where I am going to analyze your current workflows and even help you implement the plan. Now coming back, Cowork is definitely powerful, but it just has one constraint. It needs your laptop to be open. It needs the computer on while performing that particular task. Next is Claude Dispatch. It was launched in March 2026, and it made the AI community stop and think about it for a minute. And Claude does the work on your computer and delivers a finished result. Now, how can you set this up? You just need to download Claude Desktop, then you need to click on Cowork, and then you need to click on Dispatch and scan this QR code. 2 minutes and you're done with the complete setup. Claude picks the fastest path. If it requires a connector, it uses that. If it requires using your computer, it uses that. And if it involves going through the browser, scraping websites, it does that. It can perform any job autonomously without you even touching the keyboard. Now here's what I want you to leave with. Everything that I showed you today, be it skills, connectors, projects, co-work, they all require one single thing: investment in setup. The difference between companies that are scaling using this versus the ones that are just opening it and closing it, it is how you configure it. There is a deeper layer that you need to understand, and you've just seen everything that's possible. The desktop agent, different sub agents, and all of it is available to you right now. So the question is, where do you start? If you've been watching this video and thinking that this is exactly what I want for my business and I want to see better results I am achieving right now, then the link is in the description. You can book a time that works for you. And if you found this video genuinely useful, let me know your thoughts in comments, and more such videos are on the way, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.